Hi everyone. So today is day 9 of our English speaking challenge. And in today's video, in the last video, we talk about what is front end. Today's topic is what is backend. Let's dive into it. Backend is the behind the scene part of a website. A user can't interact with it, but everything depends on it. Backend handles lots of things like all data, logic, authentication like login and logout, and request and response between frontend and backend. In the easy way, if frontend is face of a body, then backend is its brain. User can't see it, but everything depend on it. And backend do lots of tasks like receive request from frontend, check the logic in the code way, talk to database whether a user is available on his database or not, and send back response to frontend to show everything to a user. There are many backend technologies like Node.js, Python, Java, and other databases like MongoDB, SQL, NoSQL. Also, there are many popular frameworks to create backend, and most famous are Express and Django. Let's talk about a real life quick example. Let's talk about Instagram. What happened when you log in, like, or message someone? Whenever we log in on Instagram, a response is sent through frontend to backend, and backend check our username and password in his database to find our user ID or profile. Then backend send a response to frontend. Yeah, user has find it, and this is his profile. Same for YouTube. Whenever we watch YouTube, uh, our YouTube video history is saved on backend, and in our history section, video is shown our history. Hmm. Let's dive into who is a backend developer. So, a backend developer develop server-side logic who create a code that talk or interact with backend or server databases. He create APIs and handle everything security and performance. His main task to create backend. His main task is to create brain for a front end part of a site. He makes sure everything works correctly and securely. Yes, security is his main task. If he don't do it carefully, any hacker can hack the website or user data very easily. So, in the most easy way, backend is uh, backend is data, logic, and databases. All of these things create a backend of a website. This is all for today. In tomorrow video, in the next video, we will talk about what is actual a database, where all data lives. If you find this video helpful, please like and follow for more beginner beginner friendly beginner friendly videos. Thank you for watching me.